Hello YouTube, it's your boy TB Abanda, the Dark-koder from Dark-koder Technologies, and today we'll be seeing how we can partition a hard drive. Most of the times we install a new operating system and we forget partitioning our hard drives, but today this video will serve as a remedy to such problems. So to partition a drive, the first thing we are supposed to do is open our file explorer. To open that, we can use a key combination, that is the Windows key and our E. Okay, so you go on the PC and you right click and make sure to open manage. It's loading. Okay. So what are we actually finding here? Under storage, we extend and you go to disk management, and right here we have a number of allocated disks. We have some partitions. Here is my SD card, here is that of my USB key. Okay, so we'll be partitioning this C drive. So to begin, we have to right click and we go to shrink volume, and you click on that. It's going to calculate a number of Y's and space. Okay. So right here they were asking, here is the total number of space this partition C has, and here they are asking the amount in the megabytes we would like to. So here we just put the 1024. That in gigabytes is 1 gigabytes. Here it's megabytes, so 1024 megabytes makes a gig, and we click on shrink, and we are supposed to be patient. Okay, we can see a new location. That is, it is unallocated, meaning it is not active and we cannot use this. Okay, let's go to our file explorer, and if we refresh, you still not find that partition here. That is because it hasn't been activated. So we go back to our disk management and you right click on this partition and you go to new sample volume and you click on next. Here I'm not saying anything, next, and here I'm going to be assigning the name as H, and I'm clicking on next. So here I will be changing nothing. I'll just click on next. As you can see, we have a new volume here, and it's actually blue like the others. If we go back to our file explorer, right here you can see a new partition, that is a new volume H, and that is exactly what we created, and it's still empty. That is how simple it is to create a new partition. So I'll be teaching you guys again how to remove this partition you've created. We will go to our disk management, and to remove this volume you still have to right click and you go to delete volume. Yes, it's probably deleted, and here if I go to delete partition again and I say yes, that's very cool, it's gone back to black. So to extend or to join this location or this partition we created back to its normal position, we have to right click on the C drive and then we say extend volume. Next, and here we'll be extending it to the 1 gig we created. So you see next and next. That's cool, YouTube. As you can see, it is back to normal. My God, I hope you like this video and you like everything about it. And please, if you have any worries or doubts, don't forget to leave a comment right below, and also don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel by hitting on the bell for more upcoming videos like this. Thank you for watching. It's your boy Brian. God bless you as you subscribe and like.